Welcome to my payroll program. Good day to you all. Welcome to my payroll program once more. This program was written for the Jamaican employee, the Jamaican payroll system. Now, first of all, let's log in and see how it looks. Put in the username, which is admin, and let me enter my password. We are in. Now, the Jamaican payroll, as I said before, is designed for the Jamaican system. With the Jamaican payroll, there are taxes that the employee has to pay, but the employer also contributes. And let me pull it up for you. We have taxes, we have national insurance, 2.75% for the employee, 2.75% for the employer. If you should delete that information that is there, then you would see employer NIS comes up. National Housing Trust is 2% for the employee and 3% for the employer. Education tax is 2.25% for the employee and 3.5% for the employer. Pay as you earned, 25% for the employer, and art is 3% for the employer. So let me just go back over. The PAY is for the employee, and the art is for the employer. So we can just update that information. You can see there, it's all there. Now, let's enter an employee. The name of the employer we're going to enter today is Kate Black. Kate, that's the first name, and Black is the last name. Date of birth, 01/01/1981. Gender, Kate is a female. So gender, we have a drop down box with male and female. So Kate is female, so we enter female. TRN, we're just gonna enter some number. In Jamaica, the TRN is known as the tax registration number. Let's go down and enter the NIS. And we've been through the NIS already. I explained to you that NIS, national insurance, is a tax that we pay in Jamaica. Both the employee and the employer pay that tax. So just let's enter some numbers here. Pay type, we're going to use weekly. We have three pay type. We have weekly, we have fortnightly, and we have monthly. So let's enter weekly. Date of commence, this is the day when the employees start to work. So say the employees start to work the 1st of January 2020. Department, she's a clerk. So we're going to say Miss Black. Position, she's a filing clerk. She's an active employee. If she's been dismissed or she resigned, then we switch it over to inactive, but for now she's an active employee. We start off her with 15,000 Jamaican dollars per month. So let's save that information, and we are back at the main menu. Now we can also look at that employee. We can look at Kate, her last name, Black. We click the search button. The employee number is 22. Kate Black. Date of birth, TRN. Remember all these information that we entered. Okay. Now, in Jamaica, we have a thing called the free pay. Now, let's go here and look at the free pay worked out. Now, the free pay in Jamaica for now, it is 1,596 Jamaican dollars per annum. Now, what this system does is that it breaks it down. It breaks it down weekly, it breaks it down fortnightly for the entire period. So, as you can see, this is saying free pay. It's $28,848 a week. For the month, $125,008. For the fortnight, That is every 2 weeks. It's $57,696. Year 2020, you know, the year of 52 weeks, 12 months, and 26 fortnight. And this is where it actually does the breakdown, as you can see. All the breakdown is done right here. All the breakdown. This is for the weeks. So this goes up to 52 weeks, and you can see we also have an year-to-date figure. So for week 1, it would be $28,000. For week 2, it would be $57,696, and so on. You go down to the monthly, it's the same process, but it is done over a 12-month period. And for fortnightly, it's the same process, which is done over a 26 fortnight weekly procedure. Now, let's see. Now, we're in business. Let's go back here. Now, let's let's do the payroll. Process payroll. What we do, we select the week. We're going to do it for week 3 in 2020. So we stick week 3. It says week 3, month here. And remember, the payroll is weekly. So let's begin. It said that period is already processed. So we can't do it for that period. So we have to go back and choose another period. Let's do a period in February. So February the 19th, that is week 8. Remember, week 8, month 2, year 2020, and it's weekly. Whenever you change the date, so if I should put 26, it will tell you that it is week 9 and it is the month 2. So let's do another thing. Let's go to March and put in 25th. This is saying week 13, month 3, and so forth. But let's go back to February and do for week 8. So it's week 8, month 2. And let's begin. So right here, this is where we actually going to do the payroll. And everything is listed right here. All the employees. Remember Kate Black that we entered? Her salary is for 15,000 Jamaican dollars. Yes, as I was saying, that all the employees are listed here. Now remember this employee, Kate Black, her basic pay is $15,000. Overtime, other, gross pay, and so forth. So right now our NIS is at 2.75%. It is $414. NHT, education tax, total tax, and net pay. Over this section, we also have the NIS, the NHT, the ed tax, art, week, month, and so forth. Remember, it's week 8, it's month 2, the year is 2020, and we have the pay type, the position, and so forth. So what this does, this work out the taxes that the employee contributes, and it also work out the taxes that the employer contribute. So for right now, if you notice that she's not paying any PAYE because Kate is earning below the prepay threshold for that particular week. Now, if she had done some overtime, so that she did about $7,500 overtime, if you notice, her gross pay is now $22,500. So the NIS has increased to $619, and the NHT has gone up to $450. Now, if she had done some other work, so that, for example, commission, and we're going to give her extra $5,500 for commission, you notice that her gross salary is now $28,000. So her NIS is up, NHT is up, education tax is up, and such delight. She still won't pay PAY because she still earned below that $28,000. But if we should say, okay, we're going to give her overtime for $15,000. If you notice, her gross salary is now $35,500. NIS is up, NHT is up, education tax is up, and her PAY is now $1,419. So the total tax she would pay is $3,882. So the net pay is now $31,618. So let us process this. But we have done the payroll. Now, after you've done the payroll, the next thing to do is to look at the payroll register. So we're going to look at the payroll register. Remember that date in February, the 19th, week 8, month 2, and so forth. So let's begin. So this is the payroll register. Remember, Miss Kate Black, 35,500. The NIS, the NHT, the Ed tax, the PAYE, and the total tax and the net pay. So basically what this is saying is that for that week, the total NIS that was taken out of everybody's salary would have been $170,378. It's not here nor there. So let's go back to our main menu. Now we can look at the pay slips. The pay slips. So we're going to enter that particular date for the pay slips. So it's week 8. Begin. Alright, so these are all the employees. Week 8, the name of the company, remember, SJR Enterprise. So let's go down and look for that particular employee, Kate Black. And here is Miss Black. Remember that $15,000 is her basic pay, and we gave her overtime for $15,000, and we gave her other, which we call commission, for $5,500. So the gross pay is $35,500. So we have the NIS, the NHT, the Ed tax, the PAY, and such the like. Now, if you notice the pay, this is the pay slip for each staff. All the staff from number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, and 22. So we can close this and go back to our main menu. Now in Jamaica, we pay over the deductions on a monthly basis. Now that deduction is done on an SO1 form. Now we go to report, we choose SO1, and if you notice, you remember that month that we did the payroll for that particular week. So just if you choose any date in February, it's going to tell you that it is month 2. So basically the SO1 would be for month 2, year 2020. So let's begin. So as you can see, the name of the employer, Bob, number of persons employed for that month, because what I did, I actually did some stuff already in it. So they're saying that it is 19, number of persons employed for that month is 19. And you have the taxes, the ART, the NIS, the NHT, blah blah. Now this is what you print, and you go online and enter this information in the system. Now we're back at the main menu. Now as I mentioned to you, this was done with PHP, JavaScript, and HTML and CSS. It is web-based. So you can contact me if you want. That's my number on the screen, and that's my email address. And I can show you how you can get this application to do your payroll in Jamaica. Thank you. Have a good day.